Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to verify your PayPal account. So let's get started. At first, we need to go to any browser and search for PayPal, and so now we are in PayPal interface finally. Now here we can see this set up your account. This means our account is not verified or completed yet. So let's tap on this, and here my account is completed 3 out of 4. That is, I have already confirmed my email, added the profile picture, and app is already downloaded. What is left is linking my card. If you have not done this, complete this first and now click on link your card. Now here we need to add the debit or credit card type, expiration date, your security code and your billing address. After that, click on link card. After you are done, your account will be verified and you'll receive a mail. So this is how you can verify your PayPal account. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.